Swastika, Yashvi, Yogita, Bhumika, Atish, Sai Simra,
Celebrities brain exercise பண்ணலாமா? Okay, first exercise positive point. So take your both hand in this position. Okay, place it in your forehead. Okay, inward rotation 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outward rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Now thinking cap. Take your hand in this position. Keep it your thumb finger in your back of the ear. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull down.
Now let's do the brain button. Okay.
Okay.
Keep your right hand like this. Okay. Put it on your below collarbone and another hand on belly button. So gentle massage to the right hand. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Maria, this is what color? Red. This is what color? Green. Okay, jump பண்ணலாமா? Ready? Green, green, red, green, green, red, green. ரெண்டு பேரும் வந்து ரெண்டு பேரும் வந்துருங்க. Green, red, green, red, red. சரியா? Red. வா. One. Nice. Very good. Very good.